Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Pinterest boards organized and easy to access, today's guide is for you. We're diving into the simple steps to sort your Pinterest boards by last saved to, so you can always find your most recently updated boards at the top, making your Pinterest experience smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to enter your personal Pinterest space. Here, you'll see all your pins, boards, and saved ideas neatly displayed. Next, focus on the Boards tab. This section houses all your boards, from recipes and home decor to travel inspiration and DIY projects. Tap on the Boards tab to view your entire collection. If you have a lot of boards, this view can get a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. We're about to make it much easier to navigate. Now, look for the Sort button at the top of your boards list. This button is your key to organizing your boards just the way you like. Tap on the Sort button, and a menu will pop up with different sorting options. Here, you'll see choices like A to Z Custom, and the one we're focusing on today, Last Saved To. Go ahead and select Last Saved To. Instantly, your boards will rearrange themselves, showing the ones you've most recently added pins to right at the top. This makes it super convenient to jump back into your latest projects or inspirations without scrolling through your entire list. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made your Pinterest boards much more manageable and tailored to your needs. Whether you're a casual pinner or a Pinterest power user, sorting by last saved helps you stay organized and inspired. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!